My name is Sam Tuttle. I'm a staff attorney in the housing unit of the Sargent Shriver National Center on Poverty Law, and I've been in this position since July of 2007. I grew up in New Ulm, Minnesota, and went to law school at the University of Michigan Law School. I graduated in 2002. After that, I clerked for a year at the Minnesota Court of Appeals and spent about 4 years at the Legal Assistance Foundation of Metropolitan Chicago, where I learned as much as an attorney can ask to learn in 4 years.
Sam is very committed to what she does and very committed to our clients and makes herself available literally at any hour of the day or night. Her specialty and why I nominated her is for her work on behalf of tenants and homeowners who are facing foreclosure. That she's built up an area of expertise, particularly with respect to policy advocacy, so that at-risk tenants and homeowners are protected, that they do not lose their housing, and that homeowners actually have a fair chance to save their homes.
I think what's exciting for me about my job at the Shriver Center has been the ability to take seeing problems of our clients and our client population and really being able to formulate an action plan based on a number of different tools, whether it's a legislative fix to a problem or way to address a problem or a person's needs, litigation, working in collaboration with community groups, outreach, education. Depending on what we see, we can formulate how we want to attack that issue in the best way possible, and really that aspect of my work at the Shriver Center is exceptionally rewarding.
Sam has passed 2 pieces of legislation in the last 2 years, one to protect tenants, one to protect homeowners. The tenant legislation protects tenants in the way that they lets them know that their property is in fact in foreclosure, lets them know who to pay rent to and where to make the request for repairs. And this is considered model legislation from around the country. The second legislation is to protect homeowners facing foreclosure by allowing them to allege in the foreclosure case that they were not given the opportunity to modify their loan so that it was affordable to them, and to use that as a way to potentially even stop the foreclosure until they're given that chance.
I do use Illinois Legal Advocate. I find the access to ICL extremely helpful, and in addition, as we've been able to move legislation forward, it's a wonderful tool for us to get the word out about new legislation affecting populations that legal services attorneys work with, be it in the area of foreclosure or eviction law, domestic violence, and it really helps us spread the word about what's new out there and what additional resources advocates can turn to when they need to.